So, there we are. There's Bukkirky that I was talking about earlier on. Had a good mooch. A big bugger. That's the rest of the cows. Look at that. All the way up there as well. That's Nunlow Abbey somewhere behind there. That's the Quarry Wood with a good pheasant ship. That's my beast. One of my beasts. There's Farmer Clearer. Don't quite know what he's doing. Well, I do know what he's doing. He's blocking me in. Let's see if we can scunner his wicked, evil plan. So, I'm going to go and grab a coffee. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it beautiful? Actually, I've got pigeon shooting up the top of that hill. Never got anything, but it's a lovely place to sit. And here he comes. Here he comes. Hey Hercules, how you doing? You want your ear scratched? Eh? Eh? What do you think? What do you think? Herky. They can get quite lively actually. It's amazing how quickly they can move when you get spooked. But I think it's maybe time to scratch his ear. In fact, they're all coming through the gate now, aren't they? Smell my car. You like my car? It's a great car. Isn't it? Where are you? Gives you an idea of the depth of the snow. And the size of his balls. Always quite extraordinary. Look at that. Reminds me of myself actually. Look at that. God, that must be cold. Must be cold. There's obviously a bit of a stampede going on. This is a new main stampede. You too. Where are you going? Alright, time for a coffee.